get Pine script code, copy it over, and there you go. It's actually like pretty easy to do.
That'd be good. Because honestly, for me, the most successful indicators have been Fibonacci and I forgot the other one, but the other one, what it does, it fills gaps where there's spaces in where where trade jumps, and it goes back and fills it up, and it makes sure that that gap is there, and it monitors it. I forgot the name of that one now.
Okay.
Well, I'll find out.
We
I'll
could try
find
it out. I mean, if you want to do it today, we could definitely do that.
Yeah, I mean, we already have Fibonacci on there, don't we? Or we haven't?
Well, you could tell it to do Fibonacci. We haven't actually built a Fibonacci method, right? Or strategy use Fibonacci, right? And like in Fibonacci, I think there's details to it too. It's like how exactly are you using the Fibonacci indicator as well, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. There's
Yeah.
the timestamps are really and the and the price leaps, I should say. There's a couple ways to do it. It's not just one. That's why.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, and by the way, and another thing we added in that is a new feature that you guys will really like, I think, is we now have a data source. If you switch over in your environment variables, switch over to the BotSpot auto data source, you now get crypto data for free. So if you guys want to make crypto strategies, you can make them for free. I don't know how many coins we have because we're getting this from Interactive Brokers. So I think I don't think there's like a huge amount of coins, but all the main ones are covered, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, all that kind of stuff. I've been testing it all day. And yeah, we grab the data from Interactive Brokers, and we actually have an agreement with them. We're actually getting data from Interactive Brokers. And the next thing I'm going to do is set up futures to be the same. So futures data will be available for free through BotSpot. Um, or at least, it depends on what kind of futures, right? Because I've come to realize that Interactive Brokers charges differently depending on the futures that you want. So like the MES, the ES, all those ones will have for free. And then apparently gold is on a different exchange, and then
Hmm.
oil is on a different exchange. So I've been debating whether we should get all three because this gets kind of pricey. It's like $450 a month to get all three. They're like
Hmm.
$150 a month each, right? So
Hmm.
we're gonna get at least the first one, right? And then the other two, if you guys, say you want to do this, you want to trade gold or you want to trade oil, then we can get that in there as well, right?
Hmm.
So yeah, so crypto's available, futures, hopefully. Crypto took me like a day to do. It's very easy. So hopefully, futures are the same, and we can get that working by next week, or maybe even by the end of this week.
Oh,
Right?
did you find out how far back Interactive Brokers has the
It goes
futures?
very far back. It goes
It
very
does
far
go
back.
back. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I
So
mean, at
I
least
was
if
wrong.
ChatGPT was right. Um, it's
Hmm.
in order to go back further though, you have to do like you have to be conscious of the rate limiting and stuff like that.
Right,
So it's
right.
like, yeah, apparently, right? That's what ChatGPT said. I haven't tested it yet, right?
Oh,
So
yeah. But does the time resolution also, I mean, I don't think you can get tick data.
no,
Really
no, you cannot get
back.
tick data going back that far. You can get
Yeah,
minute data going back several years. And I think
yeah.
second data, you can go back 6 months. And then
Oh,
tick
okay.
data is probably less than that.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rob, can you just go through the different data sources and when to use each one? Because I've kind of forgot when to use, so when to
So
use.
yeah, so what we're working on is just having the one data source and that's it. Right? That's what we're working towards. Right now, BotSpot Auto, what it does is it uses theta data for stocks, options, and indexes because I think that's the best data source. We have a really good deal with them,
Yeah.
and we've optimized the crap out of it, so it's like really, really fast, right? And then for crypto and for futures, it's going to get Interactive Brokers data. So it just does that automatically for you, so you don't have to think about it.
Okay, and then Theta Data is giving us like 1 minute data on all three stock options and indexes.
Yeah, and it could actually give us second data as well. But we just haven't set that up yet. We haven't set up second data yet. But they do have it available. They have available up to tick data as well, right? But we just haven't made that work yet. Or maybe second data will work. I actually haven't tested it. Maybe it'll just work out of the box. I don't know.
Uh,
Hmm.
I actually I actually asked it if if I could get less than 1 minute, and it couldn't get it. That was a couple days ago.
Okay.
So
Do you know why it said that? Like, what did it say about that?
um yeah, I asked you, I said, what was happening on my system was that sometimes it would blow through the stop, and I would get so then I'm a whole minute away, and the market was moving fast, so I got big loss where in fact the stop would have done better. And so I asked it to if it could use second data, and it came back and said no. But that was a couple days ago. I haven't tried it again.
Okay. We haven't really done anything in regards to that. So
Okay.
yeah, I mean, if it just blindly told you no, then maybe it just doesn't know how to do it.
Oh,
But if it changed the code, right? Like you should be able to change in the code. Whether the code will work or not is the question, right?
yeah,
But it should be able
okay.
to at least change the code to try it, right?
Yeah.
So I don't know if you had a chance to actually edit the code or not, right? Because if it did edit
Uh,
the code,
yeah.
then at least we know that that didn't work. Or if it just
Mm.
said no, then it's probably just the AI just being stubborn,
Yeah, yeah. No, I didn't try to edit the code.
Yeah.
So
Okay. Okay. Cool. Yeah,
I
we'll
got
take a look at.
stuck.
Yeah.
I was just going to say, I was playing BotSpot this morning and I got stuck. I tried to generate a strategy and I just couldn't get it to generate. I got stuck in a loop. It would continually ask me what my
Yeah.
trading idea was. I would tell it, and then it would go,
That's
"That's a
a
great idea."
Yeah, that's a bug that we literally just fixed. Actually, Worth brought this up a few hours ago because
Oh,
he said the
cool.
same thing. He said he went to go use BotSpot and it did the same thing. And it ends up that for some reason there was a bug introduced over the weekend where it didn't know the context of your conversation. So like if it came up with a game plan and you said, okay, implement it, it wouldn't know what that game plan was, right? Like it didn't have the context of the conversation. So that should be fixed now. Let me just double check that it's all deployed. I think it is. I was working on my computer and yeah, everything looks deployed. So if you go back to it now, you and then Worth, I mean, if you're in front of a computer, Worth as well, I'd be interested to see if it works for you too. You could just go into that same conversation and just say, okay, make it. And let's see if it works now.
I'm on my phone at the
Sure, man.
moment, but I'll try it here in a little bit. Yeah, definitely.
Okay. You can do it on your phone too, right?
Oh,
We we've worked to make this mobile compatible as well.
cool. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll try to. I could try to sign in there.
Okay.
Rob, if I want theta data on BotSpot, how do I get that?
What do you mean?
Or is it just automatic?
It
Do I
should be
already have that?
automatic. It should be automatic. But if you want to be like
Do
forcing
I
the
need to get
issue,
a
go into environment
subscription or
variables.
something?
You can go up to a year. You can back test up to a year back, um, for free, and up to a month for free, right? And then after a month, it will ask you to pay. Like that's just the agreement that we have with Data.
Okay, so I'll
So
get prompted.
it depends
Yeah.
on when you signed up for the free trial, right? If you signed up for the free trial recently, then you still have it for the full month. Like it's literally 30 days, I think. And then you can only back test up to a year back, right? And if you want to go longer than that, then you have to pay.
Okay. Yeah, I don't think I've signed up for that yet.
Mm.
Is there like a link or?
Yeah,
It just pops up automatically. It should
Okay.
just
All
like,
right.
if you're trying to do something that you can't do, it will just tell you.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Cool.